In this example, we're asked to sketch three distinct non-vertical lines that have the same x-intercept. So let's first think about the different vocab words that are showing up here. We need to make them have the same x-intercept. So an x-intercept is the point where the line intersects the x-axis. So if we look at our x-axis, we could pick any point along here and decide that's going to be the x-intercept for all our lines. So there's no wrong choice here, as long as you pick a point somewhere on this line. For our example, let's pick this point. The point x equals 2, or if we were going to write it as an ordered pair, the x-coordinate is 2, the y-coordinate is 0. That will be our x-intercept for all three lines we're going to draw. So now we can choose any three lines we like that pass through these points as long as the second condition is met. The second condition they give us here is that they're non-vertical lines. So remember, a vertical line would be a line that goes straight up and down. That would be vertical. They've told us our line must be non-vertical, which means it can't go straight up and down. So it could come close to going straight up and down, but it shouldn't go exactly straight up and down. So let's get a straight line graphing tool here. And we'll draw first one line. If you're doing this on piece of paper, you'd want to use a ruler. We can pick any line with our ruler that goes through this point, but doesn't go directly straight up and down. So we could pick one first that's kind of almost flat, something that maybe starts over here, continuing there. Remember, if you're drawing these by hand, you always want to put arrows on the end of your lines, although I think WAMAP won't allow you to. So there would be one non-vertical line that has x-intercept 2, 0. Let's draw a second. Again, we can pick any starting point we like. Let's make this one a little bit steeper, so we'll go from here through that point and upwards there. So there's a second non-vertical line with that same x-intercept, and we need one more non-vertical line with that same x-intercept. So we just pick a third starting point and draw a line going up through that. Notice that third line I'm drawing is getting very steep, but it's not straight up and down, so it's still non-vertical. So we have created here three distinct non-vertical lines that all have the same x-intercept. That vocab word distinct just meaning different.